Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and this is Tech with Bumi. I'm a digital marketing consultant. If you need any of my services, you can book a one-on-one service with me. And what do we do on this channel? This channel is all about entrepreneurs and business owners. If you want to grow your business through digital marketing skills, why not subscribe to this channel and press the like button and join the family. Thank you. So without any further ado, we'll just go straight to the topic of today. I'll be telling us how to create a Facebook business management manager account. So if this is what you want, why not stay tuned and let's dive into the main video. Thank you. Our topic once again is how to create a Facebook business manager account. And are you thinking, what is a Facebook for business or what is a Facebook business manager account? Have you heard of it before? Put in the comment below. And I want to ask, do you have a Facebook page? Also put in the comment below. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how to create a Facebook page. Then I will do it for us. Okay? Comment below. So before we continue, kindly like this video, share, and also comment this video and watch it to the end. Thank you. So now, what is a Facebook business manager account? For you to create an advert on Facebook, for you to put your business out there on Facebook or create a shop, put your shop on Facebook, you need a Facebook business account. And to create that, it has procedure. Like for example, if you want to create a shop in your Facebook account or you want to do an advert, you don't use the account Facebook created for you, because if you have a Facebook page, automatically Facebook will create a Facebook a Facebook ad for you to use. But I would advise you not to use that. For you to have efficiency in your Facebook account or in your Facebook advertisements, like doing ads on Facebook, you need a Facebook business account. So now we're going to create it. So now I'm going to click on create a business manager. So now you can say create and manage accounts. You can under a Facebook business account, at least you can manage at least 5 accounts, 5 different accounts, right? So you create and manage account, publish and distribute, advertise, sell on Facebook and Instagram, monetize your content and app. So now we're going to create this. We want to create. So now create and manage. So now let's just read through about Facebook pages, right? Facebook, if you're a business owner and you do business, I would encourage you and advise you to have a business page. You can go live on Facebook, you can get a lot of customers on Facebook, you can do. So now let's just go through the Facebook about the Facebook pages. And another thing that is good about the Facebook business account is it allows you to contact the Facebook management, and it helps you to manage everything under your Facebook, even your Facebook profile, everything. So you watch out as we continue these tutorials. So it says benefits of pages: free and simple, and it's free. You don't have to pay any money. It takes only few minutes to create a page, and we offer several features to manage it, right? Vital is vital. Your page comes with many free tools that helps vitalize, right? Your page comes with many free tools that help you achieve specific goals based on your business mode, and it connects you to customers. I would encourage us to work to actually do Facebook advertisements, right? Because on Facebook alone, you have 1 billion people that use Facebook every day. Isn't that interesting? So stick to this channel because I'll be telling you how to get how to work on your email list to turn your customers, I mean your yeah, to turn your email list people, those people that sign up for your email list, to turn them to customers. So watch out for that video, and you have to is advertisable for you to get to do your advert on Facebook, because Facebook is huge. 1 billion people go on Facebook every day. Okay, billions of people use Facebook to communicate with businesses. Use your page to build loyalties with existing and new customers. Are you looking for new customers? Then you need to engage yourself with Facebook. Advertise with your page. Like ads can help you grow your brands and audience. Have you imagined yourself selling to a stranger? Right? You can do that on Facebook. It's so interesting, and you turn them to customers, and some you have good relationship rapport with them. So because I don't want this video to be too long, so top features of pages, we have business information, posting, messages, tools, and insights. Okay, now we want to create the page. So now this is the page I want to create, and I'm going to use to have a business Facebook page. You have to search for business.facebook.com. Then it will I already have some business pages on my account. I have different accounts on different pages on Facebook. So you can follow me on my business account, Zibet Media Solution, on Facebook. Okay. And I have my personal account too. So now we want to create, just click. If you are new, all this might not just show, it will show something else, and you just create account. So now it's telling us to create a business account. I don't know why is it showing me this person. Oh god, what did I press? So tech lovers, I'm creating this account on behalf of a customer. So I'm going to put the business name here, the business name of the customer here. I also built a website, so I'll put the website below. You can patronize her. She sells air bonnets. So I'm going to put her email address here. Julia P. So I'm going to submit. It said when you add people to your business, your name and your business email will be visible to them. Okay, so I'm submitting this. So now let's go to our email and we'll confirm it. So now I want to confirm it, but note you can check if you don't find this confirmation in your mail, in your inbox, you can check your promotional box or your social box, depending on the type of email you're using. So now I'm going to click on confirm. So now your email address has been verified. It's booting. So basically, this is where you have access to this is where you have access to all your accounts, your Facebook page. You can link your Facebook page here. You can build your account, your ad account, create your ad account here, business setup account, apps. You can add your Instagram account here, your WhatsApp account, okay, data source, brand safety, registration, integration, payment method, security, info. Let's see the integration, lead access, okay, request, notification, business info, and setup. So I want to add, you see, Jolapri Ebole doesn't have any page yet. So I'm going to add a Facebook page in here. So it's going to say add a page, request access to a page, create a new page. That is, if you don't have a Facebook page, you can create a new page automatically under this. So now I'm going to add a page. So now let's search for a name, Jolapri. So this a name. You see, it just came out. Jolapri. She made me an admin. She made me an admin to her account. So I'm managing an account for her. That's why I have access to this. So add to page. A security precaution. You weren't allowed to approve a request to add this page to business because you were not added an admin unless, yeah, because she added me an admin like yesterday, and they're saying it's going to take like it's going like till Saturday that this can work. So now I will have to wait till Saturday. Let me try it again. Jolapri. Basically, I'll so basically it said as a security, you were not allowed to approve this because you were added as admin on the page less than a week ago. So yeah, the client just added me, so I can work on this officially on Saturday. We say until Saturday 8 a.m. So that is it. So basically, this is how to create a business page. So watch out for how to if you want me to do a video on how to create an advert, build an advert using Facebook, comment below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay? I don't know if I'm going to wait till Saturday to add these pages, but the the main the main topic of our today's activities is being covered. So we've created a page. So I just want to add a Facebook page to it and optimize this, and we are set to go. She added me yesterday or 2 days ago. So that's why I'm unable to add her, because I'm not the owner of the page. I'm managing a page. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. So before you pause or close your video, or you pause, you watch our small business pictures for today. So see you in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video.
Tech lovers,
Cheers.
kindly patronize and follow Silly K app on Instagram. There, if you are a beautician and you're looking for anywhere to find any haircut or to look beautiful in Canada, kindly use their app. Men are not left behind. So tell them you're from Tech with Bomi. Thank you.